Hello and welcome back. We're doing a double unboxing today with some Rode products. But actually it's not pronounced Rode, it's more like a little bit, but I'm just gonna say Rode because that's what people are used to. First we have the VideoMicro. This is another shotgun mic, like that one. What is that noise? Okay, let's I think we're gonna have to resort to some light violence. Yeah, that was dignified. So here is the microphone with the dead cat on it. Man, these are huge. This is the Movo, about the same size. And without it, looks fine. But this is an actual shock mount. This one moves. That's a bit of a bummer. But I think though, if you plug that in, then sort of pinch. Yeah, that could work. So let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna point this at me because that's mostly what it's gonna be like. Okay. That looks fine. We're gonna test that out in a minute. Let's just... Another dignified opening. It's a nice little pouch. Strangulation hazard. Let's hope it doesn't come to that. Right. So how does this... Aha! Success. That's quite clever. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try out the ZV-1 with the VXR10, the VideoMicro, and the Lavalier Go. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why, oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why, oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why, oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead?